The Clarke CFP11F is an especially compact, lightweight and portable petrol-engined air compressor. It is particularly suitable for site work and is ideal for use in awkward locations where no mains power is available. The 3.2-litre tubular air receiver is incorporated into the protective frame and delivers high air output relative to its size. At 7.8 cubic feet per minute and a 7-bar maximum working pressure, it can be used for paint spraying, inflating, blow cleaning, nailing, stapling, and powering a wide range of air tools. The air compressor pump has a highly durable cast iron cylinder, and the highly reliable 4.8 horsepower 4-stroke Honda engine has an easy start recoil pull cord. It is fully Euro 5 compliant, resulting in both improved economy and efficiency whilst lowering emissions. It's quiet running too, conforming to the latest European noise directive. Weighing only 26.4 kilograms and standing 380 millimeters long by 490 millimeters wide and only 470 millimeters high, the lightweight and compact design makes the CFP11F easy to load and transport by car. It features a receiver output pressure gauge and a regulator to ensure that the air output can be controlled to meet your air tool's needs. 2 drain valves are located beneath the receiver to remove any accumulated condensate, and these should be used daily. The Clarke CFP11F air compressor is the ideal compressor for DIY, hobby and trade users for use in remote locations for spraying, inflating, blowing, air tools and more.